example of polar forms. I find the polar form of the complex number minus root 3 minus I. So you can just make out like, let this be r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So r is minus root 3 squared plus minus 1 squared, which is 3 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, now how it is like minus root 3 plus minus 1 into I. So this is your a, this part is your b. Modulus is square root of a square plus b square. Now this is negative, this is negative. Anyway, so r is 2. It's 2 cos theta plus I sin theta. That's a bracket. So this is 2 cos theta plus 2 I sin theta. And this is minus root 3 minus I. I means you can make 1 into I. So this is equal to this, comparing the terms. So minus root 3 is 2 cos theta and minus 1 is 2 sin theta. Take care, this is 2I sin theta. Okay, now getting the theta is a little bit difficult because this is negative and this is also negative. Nothing to worry. If you're finding both are negative or even one is negative, just make a modulus sign over here. Do not take the consideration of the negative signs. Just write root 3 is 2 cos alpha. So root 3 by 2 is cos alpha, or cos alpha is root 3 by 2, which is cos of pi by 6. So alpha is pi by 6. What I'm doing here is I'm taking actually a modulus in my mind. You do not have to show this. Once you're taking the modulus, you just write theta as alpha. Alpha is pi by 6. You can get the same value if you'll take this quantity also, but it's okay with if you're taking only one quantity. Now alpha is pi by 6. These two guys are in the third quadrant. So as minus root 3 minus 1 are in the third quadrant, in other words minus root 3 minus I, in the third quadrant my formula is minus of pi minus alpha. So what will be the value of theta is minus of pi minus alpha, and minus of pi minus pi by 6 comes to be minus pi by 6. Here you got the amplitude. The polar form of the complex number is just put r into cos theta plus I sin theta, which is 2 into cos of minus pi by 6 plus I sin minus pi by 6. This is so much so simple. As we will require the polar forms most of the times in the later stages, and I won't be discussing these all things again and again in detail, so I'll request you to be perfect in getting the polar form. Just search any form of question of your choice, and now you can get the polar forms quite easily by involving an alpha, and after that just putting into this formula.